6 hours from Manila to Quezon.
Yes, San Andres, Quezon.
Okay, so we're in San Andres, Quezon. And we're about to... get to the boat. Okay, we're at Port San Andres, Quezon. Backlighting.
Hello.
Very busy here at the port.
Ito na, ito sa may
We're about to take a boat.
Port of San Andres.
Look at all those boats. Okay, we're heading to the islands now. I don't know. Ano bang first island? What's the first island? We don't know the first island, but we are on our way.
Ang liit lang na tibay niya. Go!
Hi guys! Dapa Island! Welcome to Dapa Island! Dapa Island or Islang Dapa is about 1 hour boat ride from the mainland. Now this is different from all the islands that I've visited. It has very narrow shores and this rugged rock formations. It's hard to get on top, but once you get to the top, you will see this vegetation and amazing view. So, figuring out how to climb this island because there's no way for us to climb up because of the structure. Or maybe there's a way over there. This is the Island. Crocodile head. Parang crocodile, no? These are hermit crabs. Look at that. That is so cool, man. Woo! Dito po sila nahuhuli? Dito? By the park.
Tuwalya ko.
By the park. Hindi, ito kung pa ito lang yung mga. Our next stop is Sombrero Island. There are 2 islands here in Sombrero. One is shaped like a sombrero or a hat, and the other one is a bigger island with basic amenities for camping. And as usual, the water in the Philippines, it's just amazing. Welcome to Sombrero Island.
Okay, break coconut na.
Oo nga, parang gusto kong buko juice. The island has basic amenities for camping. This is also where we had lunch, and also we set up camp for the night. After lunch, we head out again for 2 more island tours. We had lunch, we set up tent. My tent's over there, our tent's over there. Now we're going back maybe 3 or 4 more islands today. This is glorious. And tonight, going camping. The farthest from base camp is Animasola Island, 1.5 hours by boat. island. Guys, you need to see this very interesting rock formation here. Check it out. These interesting layers of rocks was formed by sedimentation thousands of years ago, beautifully sculpted by erosion caused by the surrounding elements. Balinsasayao Island.
Welcome.
Welcome, survivors. Balinsasayao Island, the fourth and the last one for today. I guess what's unique about this is the sandbar. Yeah. What I really like about this island is the long sandbar. And these stock rock formations, or somebody made them, I don't really know, but they look really cool. And then if you go further up, you'll have this awesome view of the whole island. Morning from Sombrero Island, Masbate. We set up camp here last night. We got tents there. It's 5:30 a.m. our second day, and today breakfast at 7, and then we're gonna explore 2 more islands before going back to Manila. Okay, si Jane ang coordinator namin. Yeah! Our second day, our last day. So, Iniawan and
Templo.
Templo
Cove.
Cave. Cove pala. Meron pala dito no? Sandbar. Okay, we'll see you on the island.
Yay! Bye-bye!
Today we're heading to 2 islands, the bigger island called Templo, and on the southern side of it, Iniawan Island, which is famous for cliff jumping.
Tatalon ka, Omi? Oh! Grabe ka naman.
Head first talaga.
Diba? Pwede ba gawa na marami ba ito? Dito sa kabila, sa baba. Okay. Bahala na si Lord sa'yo! Ikaw mo nagtuturuan ng dalawa.
Tingin sa langit talaga.